And our last one is a satisfying one. This is a snake. I believe it's a rattlesnake, and it is burying itself. This is an oddly satisfying, and it's actually in a pit full of like little sprinkle-looking things. And here, now you will learn how it is that a snake buries itself, usually in sand, not sprinkles, or it's like its own mini ball pit, actually. And look at that. And just keeps its nose above as it hides itself, maybe for a little hunting or whatever you would do if you were a snake. It's a kind of a shake. It's kind of a jiggle in order to get underneath all that material.
Is this for hunting or is this for like?
Well, predators. Yeah, right. You don't want the eagle or the hawk to spot you or whatever. Right. So you get the nose out. But also, the prey won't see you if you're under the sand or dirt or wherever you would normally bury yourself. But the way the snake body moves, it's very unique in the animal kingdom.
Well, I still don't really fully understand. Like, is it one giant muscle? Like, snakes are very strong and whatnot, but the way the muscles are moving, it seems so much control inside, but makes no sense to me.
Go ahead, Mo.
That's what I'm saying. Look at the way it's like jiggling in certain parts of its. All right, I see that smile on your face. Yeah.
No, man, I wanted to see where you were going to go with it. I was loving it, man. You were analyzing the muscular movements of the snake.
Yeah, it's really bizarre.
Thank you to everybody who joined us today. We're on a roll. The voice is back. The honey lemon tea did the trick. Shout out to Mo for hooking that up. Shout out to everyone who hooked us up by being here, being with us. Those of you that were in the chat, those of you that gave us the super chats. We thank you very much for that, and we love doing this. We're going to keep doing it. I think we'll be here tomorrow, right? Oh, how about this? We'll be here tomorrow at noon. We're going live at noon. We're going to have a new time.
Okay.
A new schedule. It's going to be every day at noon. Not on the weekend, obviously. Every day at noon. All right. We have to say the schedule to hold ourselves to the schedule. I know you think this is crazy. And by the way, noon, I'm talking noon Eastern time. That's 12 p.m. Eastern. So hopefully we can all figure this out together, what that is for you, wherever you happen to be watching from. And maybe we got something consistent going on here.
I think something's happening.
You know what?
Yeah, what's that?
There might be a community here.
All right.
You know what I mean? You might call this a community at some point. Well, thanks, guys.